Hello everyone and welcome back to Special Crypto YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to check out another awesome and very amazing pre-sale which is known as Wall Street Shiba. So here we are on the website and you can check out tokenomics details as well as the pre-sale details are given here. Join $1 billion event right now. It is powered by World Liberty Finance. You can check out in the current stage. The time left is 12 hours. So you can participate into the current stage as well as the you can participate into the next stage as well until the price rises. You can check out the details as well. Also they are giving 5132% staking rewards. So guys, before going further into the video, I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. You can check out a token has been audited by Solid Proof as well. Solid Proof is one of the leading auditing company, so you can check out their audit as well. Down here you can check out the first meme coin bridging AI, DeFi as well as internet capital markets. Why whispers from STIBA believers are here. You can check out these videos as well. They have been promoted by many of the YouTubers on the YouTube, so you can check out about STIBA. They have DEX, ICM Labs, Spark Street 101, staking, community driven capitals and much more. STIBA initial listing price is $1.8 minimum, so you can expect solid returns from it as well. So let's check out the text. Custom built decentralized exchange tailored for ICM assets, meme tokens and high velocity trading with zero fees. So this is really good. ICM Labs backed by STIBA community and ecosystem. Any ideas be funded, tokenized and promoted to the early investors. Spark Street 101, an e-learning and generalizing platform built to empower almost everyone from beginners to crypto experts. Checking put your STIBA to work and earn passive rewards through their high performance staking pools. Also you can check out the community driven capitals as well. They have been featured in Benzinga, Street Insider, Business Insider, AP Market Watch as well as Moon Insider. Down here you can check out STIBA, ICM Labs. STIBA ICM Labs is a research and product development arm focused on building the future of DeFi through Maptic variety AI utility as well as internet capital market infrastructure. Tokenize your idea in just 2 clicks. Got a vision? Turn it into a live token fast. No coding, no waiting, just launch. It's just like a pump fund launch where you go and then enter the details and then pay some of the fee and then it will make the coin. So it's just like that. Also you can earn instant ether fees as well. As soon as your token go live, you can earn 0.5% ETH on every buy. Your ideas pay from day one. Also you can check out AI powered promotion, also build utility that matters. I have been coming soon, so make sure you check it out. Down here you can check out a STIBA AI exchange is also coming soon. AI powered insights as well as custom trading dashboards are some of the features of a STIBA AI exchange. You can check out smart swap routing as well as decentralized and permissionless features into the STIBA exchange as well. You can check out the logo as well. Also you can check out the roadmap of the product. Roadmap has been divided into phases, so you can also check it out as well. Also you can check out interactive trading journey, no boarding charts, real-time signals as well as gamified growth are some of the features of the STIBA. So it is providing each and everything. You can check out the phases of the roadmap. It includes STIBA Foundation. Phase 2 is about from pre-sale to product. Phase 3 is about learn to an era. Phase 4 is about ecosystem scaling, and the last phase is STIBA domination. So you can check it out. Down here you can check out the tokenomics of the product. They have reserved 25% of the supply for pre-sale, 20% is for project development, 15% is for marketing, 15% is for staking rewards, 15% is for liquidity, and remaining 10% is for airdrop of the product. Also the white paper is live on the website. You can click here and check out their white paper as well. Method of buying is pretty simple. You just had to get a wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, come to the site, then choose the token you want to exchange and then pay and buy, and you can also stake as well. Also you can check out World Liberty Finance news here on bitcoin.com, Yahoo Finance as well as CoinDesk. Also you can check out the frequently asked questions. They have already answered all of the questions that are coming in your mind. That is, what is Wall Street STIBA, or what is Wall Street Shiba? Where can you buy the STIBA tokens I bought? Where are they now? Is STIBA really the next big meme coin? Also they say STIBA is the first meme with real AI power. Is that true? Each and everything are already answered by them. Also, you can check out their social media handles such as X handle, Twitter handle, Telegram handle, as well as Insta and Facebook handles are given here. Make sure you join there all of the social media handles to not miss any of the update about this product. So guys, make sure you check out their staking feature as well. Come to the staking section, and here you will get 5132% APY as well. This is estimated rewards after buying. You can stake as well. So guys, I hope so you like this amazing and awesome product review about Wall Street Shiba token and become part of this amazing product after doing some on research as well. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.